Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a background to your videos in CapCut. So my video is actually already has a background, but I'm going to replace it with a new one. So I'm going to first remove the current background. So click on the video and swipe through the menu and select the remove BG menu here. Click on the auto removal. Now CapCut will remove the background. Just wait until it finished. You can see the progress in here. Okay, now it's nearly finished. And when it's done, just click on the check icon, and to add a new background, just swipe and use this background menu. And you can choose between the color, image, or blur. So I'm going to just use image because I want to add a new an image as my background. So just swipe here, or you can also upload the background on your own. So I'm going to just use, for example, this shiny purple background. Just click on a check icon, and there you go. And guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please click on the thanks below. Bye.